Paite Elementary School is located in Barangay Bagong Bayan, Paite, Laguna, with a total land area of 11,139.91 square meters. It was established as a complete elementary school on October 16, 1925. Presently, the school is composed of a principal, a guidance coordinator, 56 teachers, and an administrative aide. For this school year, the school has a total enrollment of 2,108 pupils. Continuous Improvement Program. The CI team, headed by the principal, attended a series of seminars and coaching to have a better understanding of this program. The PhilErie pre-test was conducted last July 28, 2014. Based on its result, 157 out of 351 grade 3 pupils belong to struggling and non-readers. The CI team members look for some possible reasons why this problem occurs through interviews with the target pupils, parents, and teachers. After identifying the possible problems, the team preferred questionnaires given to the 157 grade 3 pupils, parents, and advisors. Based on the data gathered from the interviews and questionnaires, the CI team found out the possible roots of reading difficulty among 157 pupils. 104 or 66% of them use textbooks, 23 or 15% use Kwentong Pambata, 13 or 8% use comics, 11 or 7% use newspaper, and 6 or 4% use other reading materials. To reduce the number of 134 struggling and 23 non-readers, CI team comes up with one project, the Project Grade 3. Good reading and appropriate devices for every learner in Grade 3, which aims to revise reading materials that are suitable for the pupils. Clarification of the process on the implementation of the project was discussed during the meeting with the Grade 3 advisors. Reading materials were also distributed to the respective advisors, in which Set A is for the non-readers, Set B for struggling readers, and Set C for non-comprehending readers. The CI team monitored the remedial teaching for 4 consecutive weeks. Based on the table, a significant increase of 21.53% in the MPS of on-the-spot test given from first week to third week to Set A pupils was noted. However, a minimal decrease of 0.2% on the fourth week of the test administration was observed. An utmost increase of 7% in the MPS of on-the-spot test administered from first week to fourth week to Set B pupils was stated. Another increase of 10% was noticed in the MPS of on-the-spot test given from first week to fourth week to Set C pupils. This implies that using the revised reading materials improved the reading ability of the pupils.
Sa mga bata na nagpunta sa akin, nakita ko naman po na may improvement na nagagawa ko nung una talaga parang nag-leader na ng leader. Pero ngayon, at least, nakakaano sila ng CBC pattern, nakakapos na sila ng sentences. So, sa sila na nakakatulungan na ng mabuti yung CIB sa mga nangagawa sila.
So, pwede po natin ipagpatuloy yung ating project.
Pwede naman. Kasi yung babagsakan ko ng reader talaga ngayon, nakakatayo na. So, medyo papatamin na.
Hapon po, ma'am. Ma'am, simula po nung mag-umpisa yung CI project para sa pagbasa po sa...
Malaki po yung naitulong ng CIP project para sa aming paaralan. Kasi nga po, dahil nga po remediation kailangan lalo na dun sa mga kasi hinati nga dinivide, meron kaming set A to C. Bali po ang papunta sa akin ay set A, yung mga non-reader talaga. Hindi naman po talaga lahat ng nakakatungtong sa grade 3 talagang reader na. Meron pa po talagang hindi nakakabasa o yung non-reader. So bali po malaki itong tulong sa amin kasi napag-ipon-ipon yung mga non-reader, natutukan namin ng maayos yung mga non-reader. Kasi po kung sila hindi pag-iiwa-hiwalayin at masasama lang dun sa ibang mga medyo nakakautay-utay na o medyo nakakabasa na, hindi din po sila kaagad matututukan dahil dahil nga po non-reader, kailangan pong mag-umpisa dun sa mga sounds ng bawat letters. Dahil doon naman po talaga nag-uumpisa ang pagbasa.
Bilang may anak po ng grade 3, nakatulong po ba yung CI project namin para sa pagbabasa ng inyong anak?
Malaking tulong kasi mas lalo pa nag-improve yung pagbabasa nila sa bandang niya.
Bilang magulang po, ano pa yung maipapayo niyo sa iba pang magulang para lalo pa pong ma-improve yung pagbabasa ng mga bata?
Guide ng mga bata pagbabasa para lalo ma-improve.
Hindi kailangan po talagang i-guide ang ating mga bata. Kailangan po magtulungan ang magulang at mga guro pati na po yung bata. Marami pong salamat.
CI team members.